In this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain a positive focus. A lot of times, our focus deters us from what we actually want in life, depending on which side your focus is going. This video, I'm here to expose and to show you the secret on how to maintain a good focus and achieve your goal within a short period of time. I am Ambassador Peter. Let's dive into what we have for today. Sometimes you ignore your negative thoughts for way too long and let your mind run on autopilot until you find yourself in a very bad situation that can't get any worse. In this kind of situations, you must act and fix things as fast as you can, but it seems as if you have no control over your thoughts. So you're already envisaging the worst case scenario because that's the most logical outcome for you right now. But in this video, I will give you the best method to help you change situations very rapidly and get back on the track, even when there seems to be no hope. It might really seem hard to control your thoughts when there is a lot of chaos around you. But I want you to always remember this: no matter what is happening, no matter how it looks, it is all an illusion. Situations or people might seem all around solid, but it's all made from the fabric of your consciousness. You are the source of everything. Everything around you is feeding on one power and one energy, which is your consciousness. When you are dreaming, for instance, everything feels real, but as soon as you wake up, boom, you realize it's nothing but a construct of imagination. You were the only source of everything you dreamt of. But be inclusive with this very rule. No matter how big or small or scary or beautiful a circumstance might be, you are its only source. If you grasp this, it becomes easy to shift situations, because the main obstacle for many people is assuming there are some other cause or power outside that is controlling the situation, and they have no power over it. Once you understand that it is you doing it yourself, then you can easily manipulate matter in a couple of hours or days. The way to do this is very simple: to control your thoughts. But how do I control my thoughts when it's all chaotic and I feel I have zero powers over them? Well, you might ask, but wait, I will explain. This works like magic anytime. It has never failed me, even in the thickest situation. I have successfully shifted situations where it seems like all hope was lost, and manipulated people into playing their parts in the fulfillment of my own desire with my thoughts only. Think of a white flower right now, and then quickly shift to think of a red car. Try to do this many times, from the flower back to the car, from the car back to the flower again. Just try it again and again and again. Every time, drag your thoughts back to what you consciously want to think about. You choose whether you want to entertain the car or the flower. Nobody chooses for you. That's a conscious choice that you make at every moment. Exercise this and see how you control what you are thinking of, and not the other way around. This is the big secret to learn how to shift your thought from one topic to another quickly, and how to consciously maintain your focus. Think of it at a balance on two sides: the best and the worst case scenario. Every thought counts, and you choose to feel the side of the balance of your outcome. Anytime you think about what you don't want to happen, then the undesired outcome side of the balance is getting much heavier, and vice versa. That is very simple. Yes, this is how it works. It is not random. It all depends on what you decide to focus on. This might be hard at first because you're not used to training your focus, but practice makes perfect. The longer you practice, the better you become at it. This is extremely powerful method. Always keep it in mind and use it when everything else fails. It works every time and it never fails. You can turn around any situation with a trained focus. Oh yes. Thank you for watching. This is Rock TV, the authentic voice you should trust. And I am Ambassador Peter, right here in the studio today. And if you love this video, kindly share and click on the plus button to follow me, and subscribe if you have not done that. Let's know what you think about in the comment section. I'll be glad to see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.